Hi everyone, Jason Horseman here, showing you the overview on Gmail as we transition away from Outlook. So Gmail will be our new email client. It'll be web-based, and so you'll simply access it via the website. Two different ways we'll do that. First off, you can simply go to mail.google.com. That will take you to the Gmail web interface where you'll be able to access all of your mail anywhere, whether on your phone, on the Chrome browser at work, or at home. Second option for you is to go from our centralunified.org website. Simply go to staff and then to email login right here, district email. That will also take you once live to Gmail. Once in Gmail, by default, you'll have the option of your most recent email coming to the top. And then on your left side here, you'll have your inbox starred. So anything that you star will then show up on that. I have sent drafts here on the left. So your basic areas to organize your email. In some subsequent emails we'll talk about, or in videos, we'll talk about using the social and promotions tab to help sort out some of that spam. And to also, if you want, make your Gmail look just like Outlook. Stay tuned for the next video in which I'll show you how to log into your Gmail calendar. Stay tuned for that.